If you guys are holding XRP, things are starting to crank up and get very exciting. Altcoins are going crazy. They're breaking out. Ethereum is breaking out. And Ethereum last cycle, we haven't seen it do it this cycle, but last cycle, when Ethereum started breaking out, even though Bitcoin would start going down, consolidating, barely moving, Ethereum would start pumping, and that would bring altcoins up massively. And XRP is about to get its ETF approval. There's a lot of things cooking for XRP and cryptocurrencies. And in this video, we have to talk about it. It's going to be absolutely crazy. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. Guys, check this out. History is literally in the making here. This is Ethereum. Look, it is breaking out of this resistance level. Altcoins depend greatly on Ethereum as it is the #2 altcoin in the world. XRP might eventually overtake Ethereum. By market cap, that could be a possibility, but it's bringing up altcoins. Tons of coins are starting to pump and go crazy. Fartcoin, everything has recovered so strongly. Bitcoin, we are holding up very, very strongly. Right now, as I mentioned in my video yesterday, Bitcoin is finding resistance at previous all-time high, which could mean a temporary pullback. But with Ethereum leading, the altcoin market looking very, very strong, the stock market nearly to all-time highs, things are looking very, very good for the crypto market overall, especially long-term. And if you take a look at assets like gold, look at how much they're continuing to pump. When gold pumps, cryptos pump. Look at silver. It is breaking out massively. And we are at all-time highs continually for silver, unless I'm mistaken and this chart is just not sufficient. But assets like gold and silver are spiking. Cryptos are spiking because of what is taking place around the world for currencies which are failing. Governments are failing. It's not looking very good, ladies and gentlemen. But overall, the market is very strong. And in the future, in the near future, we're going to have a Solana ETF, an XRP ETF. All these ETFs are about to get kickstarted, and that is going to be the main proponent to push cryptos. And today, we have some breaking news. We have stablecoin bills about to get absolutely passed. This is extremely bullish. Treasury Secretary says crypto stablecoins could lock the US dollar in its dominance. Donald Trump and Elon Musk are getting back together. They are becoming friends again. And we talked about that. Was that 3D chess that they were playing? Ethereum reclaiming a $400 billion market. Just about. I mean, it is getting absolutely crazy. Banks are developing their own stable coins. Trump is calling the Federal Reserve to cut rates. This is what's going to be pushing up cryptos massively. US inflation is cooling off massively, and this is now going to cause the Fed to cut rates. So the next major thing that's going to be pushing the market up is going to be rate cuts. It's going to be absolutely crazy. XRP is forming this bull flag, ladies and gentlemen, in the weekly time frame. And eventually, we are probably going to see a pump similar to this leg here, which if we measure this pump here, we put it to our current level, area of a possible breakout, this is going to put us to around $5.50, $5 to $6, which my price target is $7. So XRP right now consolidating on the weekly time frame. We have broken out of the weekly time frame, forming a bull flag. This is technically a breakout, and this is actually crazy. This is the first time me seeing XRP doing this. This is absolutely incredibly bullish. Guys, I mean, even this, the CEO of Ripple says and predicts that XRP could capture 14% of SWIFT volume in just 5 years. That's $1.4 trillion in annual cross-border payments for XRP. I mean, guys, it's getting absolutely crazy. In the short term, we might get a pullback. There's going to be a little bit of choppiness, but over the next few months, cryptos, including XRP, are going to take off. Last year, when XRP was 40 cents and 50 cents. I told you all of the impending massive pump for XRP and predicted it to the exact T. It's going to be the same exact thing. It's going to start taking off when you least expect it. And it's going to be very, very fast. So you want to be prepared for that moment. Also, guys, make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER. This thing gave you a buy alert at the very bottom of XRP around 50 cents before it took off, and it kept you in the trade the entire time. This indicator is going to help you to secure your profits every cycle. So that way you know when to sell and take your profits, and it will also tell you after the market corrects to buy the dips at the very bottom. You guys can try this thing today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and notifications on, and I'll see you later.